Hello, hello. How is everyone doing? How are you guys? So, what happened here? So the markets just rallied nicely. So trying to see where we are and what we are trying to do. I was in a gold trade earlier. Lovely little trade, 2 hour. Got in, got out. Now just trying to look for what the market really wants to do and what we have in store. 2 minutes to market open. So we'll give it its nice little time to play out. Just looking at gold because I think it might be going to previous day high. I might want to take a short from there. So we'll just keep an eye on gold for the time being. In terms of NAS, let's just quickly look at NAS as well. So NAS has decided to start going down now before open. So previous day high is swept, previous week high is swept. Just want to be sure that we are entering the market as it gives the opportunity, not before that, not after that. So just staying calm, composed, trying to see where the market wants to go towards, and we'll make a decision based on that. How has your trading been, guys, today? Any nice trades, any nice entries from you guys? All right. Ooh, NAS is trying to sell off. So this could lead us to good discount areas. Let's see what we get. Not going to jump on and try to dictate the market. We'll let the market give us an opportunity. That's market open. Let's see what happens here. Quick dump. Both NAS is dumping, gold is dumping as well, as of now at least. I think gold might want to go higher to previous day high. That's my view, but could be proved wrong completely. So we'll give gold some time to play out nicely and see what it wants to do. Oh, I missed. Sorry, I was trying to. Hi, hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? All right, so gold is trying to dump. I'm just keeping an eye on this order block to make a decision on what side I want to trade on. If this order block is inverted, I will be looking for a short position on gold. If the order block is respected, that could be a nice trigger for a long position. So just keeping an eye on the order block just to make sure we know where we are going. What about NAS? Ouch, that's a good rejection. Yeah, until we are trading inside this news FVG, I don't want to touch NAS. I'll be very honest. Because anything can happen from these areas. So you don't want to kind of play these areas so quickly. So just giving it first 5-6 minutes to play out, do its thing, and then maybe make a decision on which side I want to trade on. Same with gold, just want to give it a couple of minutes to play out. My thesis is very much simple today. If I'll just play the market as it presents, I don't have a bias because I'm bullish, but not like, not going to kill it to be just stay bullish kind of thing. It's more like, okay, give me an opportunity and I'll enter. Okay, that looks like it's gonna invert that order block. It has inverted. Give it one more candle. I'll give it one more candle to see what it does. Same with NAS, just waiting. Okay, I'm going to take a short position on NAS. I'm liking this rejection. Just give it a minute to close, 18 seconds to close, and I'll take the position. So waiting for 18 more seconds before I take that position. 7, no position, guys. Did not close below this. Just gonna wait, let it do its thing. No position yet, no position yet. Oh, by the way, I'm not looking at the chart. I'm basically setting up. Cool. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Daniel. No position yet, just still waiting to let the market do its thing. Okay, that could be your first inversion. That's a ridiculous open again. Just wait for it, let it do its thing. Nothing to see yet. Any trades from anyone? Anyone had any nice trades today? Anyone had any good winners? So I'm not going to take a position yet. Same both for gold and for NAS, at least for now. I want gold to show me a change in state of delivery. So for gold, it will be a simple thing. Show me a change in state of delivery right over here. If it does that, I'll take a position. I'll put my stops. That's going to be too wide. I'll put my stops up here and take a 2-hour trade from there. If it does that, and looks like it doesn't want to. So change in state of delivery, and that's when I'm going to take gold. If anything of that sort. For NAS, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting to see what happens here. Nothing yet. Okay. Little short on news candle, inverse fair value gap. Nice. I don't know why I'm not able to put the comments in there. Normally I'm able to. Why isn't it showing show comments? That's okay. It is what it is. Yeah, it's not showing me that option to show comments. Yeah, still going to wait. Nothing to see yet. Market is just deciding on which direction it wants to go in. Alrighty. When looking at the acceleration gap, if the FVG is inverted, the target becomes invalid, doesn't it? Yes. So in this case, the target is invalidated now. What you want to really see is, can we trade above previous day high? Like, this is what should be in your mind right now. Can we trade above this area? If we can, then it's a good long to take. Otherwise, well, there's nothing to see. Because it does look, it looks good. I mean, I'm not going to deny it. It does look good right now. But until you go above this area, there's nothing. So just waiting and giving it time to do its thing. Okay, that's a nice rush. So if we are to take a trade here, where would that go take us? Okay. Okay, at the close of this candle, I might take an opportunity. But let's see how the close is. Okay, I'll take a trade here. Stop loss will be below this candle, the displacement candle. And yeah, 2 hour, not 2.5. So I'll go for 2 hour. Full risk trade, not half risk. So let's see. Okay, all set. Okay, so that would be TP1. No, just wait. Hold on. Wait for this sweep to happen. Don't take TP if you haven't yet. Let's just wait for that sweep to go. If that sweep doesn't happen, then it's fine to be I'll be stopped out. I'll be happy. I'm not taking a TP yet. So I've not taken a TP yet. Just FYI, I'll wait for the TP will be on this sweep, not before that. Because if it's getting rejected from here, that will be a lot of liquidity left up top. And we have left back-to-back fair value gaps as well. So we should be, like, if we are bullish, then the market should be bouncing from these areas. So let's see. Let's give it a couple more minutes and it will make a mood. It will decide where it wants to go. 2 hour at equal high NQ long. Yes, I'm in NQ long. Yes, sir. Yes. Risky, but let's see. So if this is topped out, that will be -1 hour for me. Okay, stopped out. Lovely. Market said fuck you to me. That's -1 hour. That's fine. Still good for the day. So hopefully things will change. I'll wait for another opportunity. And I'll see at the stock close of this candle. That will be the last trade for me, most likely. I do want to short. Okay, last try. I'll take a short position here. Stops will be above previous day high. And I'll let it run. Okay, cool. I'm in. Just underneath here. This will be the last trade of the day for me. If I lose this, I'll basically end the day positive. I don't want to end the day negative. And I'll let it go from there. Maybe the market is just playing around with my emotions. Oh, the market is fucking playing around with my emotions. Fuck me. Not a good start, right? Not a good start. It just reversed from the moving average, so that's not good. Okay, we have a nice little BPR. Just a tiny one right over here. Let's see what the market wants to do here. If it cannot break lower, then I think it's going to end my trading day quite early. Doesn't look like it wants to go down. So I'll go through both the trades, why I took them, both the short and the long, and then you guys can judge me. Not a good start to the day. This is also a 2 hour, by the way, not 2.5 hour. So this is also a 2 hour trade, not 2.5 hour, just FYI, everyone. Sorry, I'm not looking at the comments as I'm trying to manage the position as well. So let me know if there is any, I mean, you guys can put the comments in and I'll look at them later. But as of now, I'm not looking at the comments section. I think it's going to stop us out. The way it is bouncing on the MA, it doesn't look nice. That's a good rejection. Can't even move my SL. Even on the 15-second, I don't see anything where I can move my SL to. Okay, there comes the move. Let's hope it lasts. What is it there that it's trying to bounce from? Asia high, okay. Let's see. Not taking TP1 yet. Just waiting for this candle's close to show me something. If it can, obviously. So we have a little fair value gap. Nah, this market doesn't want to go down, I guess. Letting it play out for now. I'm not yet closing this trade. I will move my stop loss if we basically create another bearish candle here. If we create a bearish candle, if we turn this into a bearish candle, I might move my stops lower. So 27 seconds to go. Let's see. So I'll move my stops at the top of this candle, reduce the risk considerably. Yeah. Because if it goes back up, I mean, it's tried a couple of times. This time maybe it will just go stop us out and rally higher. So I'm just moving my stops to be on the safe side. So move my stops to the top of this candle and let's see. And I'll take TP1. Got late. Okay, I'll take TP1 here. So TP1 done. I'll let it play out. See what it does here. Going to keep my eyes on the charts. PA looks okay. If we can break below Asia high and stay underneath, that would be a clear signal that the market wants to keep going lower. So you just want to keep your eyes on that and just make sure that if it is staying below Asia high, it will keep going lower for sure. So now you just want it to stay below. If it goes above, then that's not something that you want to see from this market. You want to see it stay below those levels. But the market doesn't owe us anything, right? It could basically just rally from here. It could just dump from here. So just chill, relax. By the way, move your stops to break even. Like we have taken 1 TP. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We just take that as a L and move on. So move your stops to break even and we'll see what happens after that. And that's me stopped out on break even. So 1 TP and stopped out. So that would be still minus 0.5 hour for the session. Gold is ripping here. That's fine. I missed it. I missed gold, so it's okay. I was concentrating on this guy. Gold went to 450%, previous day high gone. That could be a good shot on gold. Honestly, that's a beautiful shot on gold if somebody wants to take it. At the close of this candle, maybe something. but I don't want to jump into it. It will be more or less a FOMO because I missed the initial up trade. Then I'll be thinking about the down trade, and that does not help. So NAS minus 0.5 hour for the day, for the session, sorry. I'm just going to let it play. At the close of this candle, I'll take a long position. That will be a long trigger for me. 1 second. Okay. Yep, I will enter a long position here. Half risk, not going to go full risk into this. So if I lose, that will be minus 0.55 hour. If I win, I'll be up 0.5 hour for the session. I'll go for 2 hour. Just staying low in regards of risk on this one because it's not yet confirmed. It's more of a inversion, kind of liquid turtle soup over here, and just taking the trade off that. And this will be the last trade for me, yeah, by the way. This is me done after this. It is the shortest stream I'll ever do, I guess. 3 trades in 30 minutes, 24 minutes to be honest. So if this is stopped out, this was based, I'll talk through all the 3 trades that I took and why I took them so that you guys are aware of what was going through my mind when I was taking them. I think that's why we are all here for, right? So we'll go through each and every trade that we have taken. We'll try to understand why we made the decision to enter, when we entered. And then, yeah, I mean, I'm already up a good 3 hours something from morning, but not a good session, I guess. Minus 1 hour. If this one hits the stop loss, it will be minus 1 hour, which is fine. I mean, I'm not so concerned about minus 1 hour. It's more about, you know, having 2 losers and 1 half winner. That's what I hate. And I would prefer 2 back-to-back losers than 2 losers and a half winner. Half winner gives you some, you know, feeling that, oh, this might work, and then it just fucks off. Let me get rid of this. All right, any questions from anyone? Sorry. Would NAS go down and fill that FEG before heading up? Could very well do. Nehat, could very well do. Not necessarily that, or actual not FEG, sorry, that gap. Could very well do. It's not like it might not or it might. It's more about what I saw and why I react to that, what I saw. So, I mean, as of now, this trade is not looking good because you wanted price to basically respect this fair value gap inversion, and it straight away went down. That basically does not give good signals about the market. And for me, the thing is, like, if I've entered a trade, I want my stops to be either moved or hit depending on, you know, price action, not depending on my mistakes. So if I made a mistake, I want it to basically stick to it. I stick to it. But I don't think this was a mistake. I think this was more or less, I reacted turtle soup. I saw the turtle soup. I saw the inversion, and I reacted to the trade. And looks like the trade doesn't want to go in our favor, which is completely normal and completely part of the market, isn't it? You get those moments where you take a trade and it straight away goes up in your favor. Then you get trades where it does not go in your favor. It, you know, reverses. It's just you take a decision and you react. Let's see what happens here. Because we are still trading above Asia high. So that is something good, but price action is not looking that great. You want a quick reaction. You want like markets to, you want price to basically say, okay, I've gone below Asia high. I've swept everything. I've gone above, inverted. This was just a retest and I'm going to just pump. If it just keeps hanging out in this area, that means it wants to go lower. So yeah, we just wait. We just let the market do its thing and then we react later. Anything in the chat? I see. Thanks. These streams are great. Taking trades. Yeah, that, I mean, that's the only thing I can do apart from losing trades. So this loser is going to be, yeah, my last trade for the session. I'll end the day there because, I mean, if I take more trades, maybe I'll start revenge trading, right? You don't want to do that. You want to stick to your plans. You want to make sure that, okay, I did this, it didn't work. That means maybe it's not my session. Just walk off. Either or you end up giving everything back to the market. In this case, I would have given what, $250 back to the market. Otherwise, that could turn into 500, 750 very quickly. So still in this trade, stops are not yet triggered. So let's see. The more I look at it, the more I feel it's going to be triggered in the next one, this candle or the next candle max. This candle is being nice to us. It's saying, okay, no, I'll let you live for one more candle maybe. Or maybe not. Okay, let us live for one more candle, but this candle will surely trigger our stops. And that's me out. So I'll walk you through why I took all the trades, all three trades, the way I took it. So number one was the long position. It was clear, market was trying to pump through. We were getting, over here, we were basically leaving fair value gaps. So that was a clear indication to me that the market could be heading higher. So I acted quickly, took a long position for 2 hours, did not play out, straight away down. Then we took the short position because of the inversion over here and we left a BPR. Market bounced around for a bit and then went down. We took TP1, moved our stops lower to the new fair value gap that was formed and then to break even, because obviously if the fair value gap, we are leaving fair value gaps, we have taken TP, we move our stops to break even. Right. And the third trade, the reason I took it was basically because we inverted that fair value gap with power. We straight away went down, swept liquidity, and then inverted that fair value gap with power. Now that indicates, okay, the market might have sold off enough and might want to go higher. So let's see, because at the end of the day, this, even though this is, it's kind of getting rejected from the manipulation block, but we left that liquidity up top right over here, right? That is pre-market liquidity. It could have taken it easily. So I still feel that liquidity might be taken during the day. But since we did not take that liquidity, that basically gave me a reason to go long from here and aim for that liquidity and higher prices. But the market said, no, fuck you, stop you out, and then I'm going to go wherever I'm going to go. So yeah, that's my thesis. Now it will go up. Yeah. Trump news on Iran. I need psychology. Yeah, whatever is happening in the world. So those were the reasons I took the trades I took. Any questions, guys? Come on, please throw some questions. I'm happy to answer. And if you want to ask something, if you want to ask about any other questions in regards of my entry, I'm happy to answer them. So feel free to ask. You don't have to worry. You don't have to think too much. Just shoot away. All right, let's see. Any questions? No questions? You guys don't have any single question or any thoughts on US oil? I haven't seen oil. Oil should be going with the Venezuela deal. I think oil prices are in a state where they will most likely start going lower and giving you good. That's why I was thinking the markets are going to rip, because if the oil prices go lower, markets are going to start to rip pretty aggressively. So that was my thought process for oil even before we entered these trades. Yeah, it's more or less about, okay, what is Venezuela, the whole thing in Venezuela going to impact US with? It's basically that they'll be able to buy oil from there. Now, if they're able to buy oil from there, they are going to get first dibs on it as well. So that basically puts US in a very good state in regards of markets, and that's why I was bullish on the markets overall. But this price action, it doesn't look good. If it is to reverse, I see London low just hanging there, not yet swept. could be the draw as of now, but still a lot of this order block is still there, so keep an eye on this order block. This is a crucial order block. Market can bounce from here, so I'll just keep an eye on this. I'm not gonna trade anymore, but just keep an eye for you guys. Please look at gold short. Okay, gold short. Oh, nice, going well. So gold is looking good. Where did I say to short? I said to short here. That's going well. This will be your TP. This will be your TP, and then I would say keep aiming lower. I'm not going to be concerned about gold where it goes. Keep aiming lower prices, because I feel gold was ready for a sell off this morning, but then I took a long on this. So gold long is this one which I took today. But the price action is not looking really good on gold. If we invert this order block right over here on the 1 minute time frame, and it should be there on 2 minutes as well. So this order block, if it is price starts trading below 4621, I would say that would be another good entry for you on gold. Like if you're not in the trade, but the stops are going to be massive. So that's the only concern. And if you are already in this trade, I would say start measuring your gaps. So you have basically these are the targets that you should be looking for. So New York AM low, and then 450% right over here for the short position, if we are able to respect these fair value gaps. So just keep your eyes open and peeled on gold. What's happening with NAS? Okay, NAS is trying to do something. Oof, that's a beautiful looking candle. So NAS has taken all this liquidity and then just inverted. So as I was saying, that order block is crucial, and look at how price is reacting to it as of now. So keep an eye on it. I'll not take a trade anymore. I think I'm done. Looks like it did go down and fill that gap. Yep, lovely, isn't it? Markets, funny markets. One day you are the king, the other day you are basically losing the trades left, right, center. That's markets for you. So we'll keep an eye. I mean, I'm not going to be taking a trade, as I said. So if you don't have any questions, guys, I'll call it a day. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Tomorrow? Yeah, I'll try to do tomorrow's session. I'm not yet sure. I think I have some plans for afternoon. I'm not yet sure. Will I be? If I'm not able to do it, I'll let you know early so that you guys can arrange your trading session. But yeah, overall, it's all about now, can we go above Asia high again? Because right now we have basically tried tuck, rejected, and now we are trying to underside test, and let's see what we do here. If we can go above Asia high, I would say higher prices again. But yeah, keep an eye. Any questions from anyone? All right, thank you everyone, and sorry for the -1 hour, and take care, and I'll see you guys soon.